Hello, everyone. Today, I want to introduce you to our Customer Service Chatbot, which you can find under the Flow Library tab. Scroll through and select the Customer Service Chatbot option to get started. With this tool, you simply input your knowledge sources, and Flow will instantly generate a helpful chatbot that provides accurate responses based on the information provided. The Customer Service Chatbot is designed to efficiently address customer inquiries by leveraging your existing knowledge base, enhancing user experience, and ensuring that customers receive quick and reliable support. Before you begin, make sure to add your own knowledge sources in the Schedules or Documents tab. This step is crucial for the chatbot to provide accurate and relevant responses. We've explained how to do this in another video, which you can find linked in the description below. By using the Customer Service Chatbot, you can streamline your customer service process and improve the overall satisfaction of your users, ensuring that your service is responsive and well organized. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.